LSC India Glossary of Life Skills is, I think, unique in its own right. There isn't any existing life skills framework or glossary that details out life skills in the way the India Glossary of Life Skills details out. The fact that we have 51, soon to be 52 life skills, the fact that every life skill has been defined, contextualized to India, the fact that every life skill has bullet points in terms of what are the skills in action, the fact that we have translated the India Glossary into 3 languages, and soon we would like to translate it into other Indian languages. I think all of that makes the LSC India Glossary of Life Skills